Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And right out of the gates, first thing I want to do is just some house cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have, 8 million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to, try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first update comes based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 12.5 cents as resistance, but now that the price broke above it, this would be considered the, an area of support going forward. Ideally speaking, if the price can continue to hold up above this point right here at 14 cents, I say continue because there's actually already been a couple of times here where the bulls try to, the bears try to press down through there, but bulls did a good job. That would certainly make the chart look extremely, extremely powerful. But if the price does fall below 14 cents, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would be a great sign of strength. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as I discussed on Friday, it's all about the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As I explained on Friday, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to keep on moving upwards like that. And if you want to picture that as a trend line, that is more than logical. And the easiest way to look at this, assuming you care about the big picture of things and can care about kind of the health of this move right here, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as it stands right now, all about 16 cents. If you're watching level 2s today, then I'm sure this is no shock to you, but I think we can all agree that the main point of the price clustering is right up here at that 16-cent mark. So by no means am I saying the price can't break through it, but as the chart story is telling us right now, that is where the sellers are currently hanging out. So 16 cents, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows, the chart will take care of itself and be just fine from a big picture perspective. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.